legit. Anything you want.
Tron, TRX, is on the list of crypto foundations with highest token holdings value. Tron is living its best days so far with all the latest achievements and developments. Project teams for the top 5 crypto foundations are flaunting about $2.6 billion in token holdings, says the latest report coming from TRX. Tron accounts for 46% of the holdings. The great thing is that Tron accounts for almost 46% of the holdings, and the list of foundations which use the holdings to finance roadmap developments includes Cardano, IOTA, Neo, Tron, and Tezos. It's also worth noting that Tron recently burned 1 billion TRX, and it reportedly has 33 billion TRX in a locked account until 2020. Neo has released about 15 million from their holdings. Despite the solvency of high-profile crypto foundations, many ICOs that have been launched this year are floundering. The report says that while initial coin offerings, ICOs, have to date raised double in 2018 what they did last year, the controversial fundraising vehicle has seen its popularity diminish to select projects. The same report goes on and explains that dire number crunching shows that 70% of tokens are now valued at less than what was raised during their ICO. And with tokens having no equity representation, markets have shrugged off cash on hand as part of an enterprise valuation. Tron enjoys new listings. Tron launched 2 new trading pairs and a brand new release on one of Europe's largest exchanges. Binance just paired its Binance coin, BNB, with TRX. TRX announced that TRX has become available to trade with the US dollar, and this is the very first time that TRX has been paired with the USD in the US. Justin Sun also announced that Tron would be listed on BitBay, the crypto exchange that currently boasts more than 800,000 users. BitBay has recently moved to Malta and has become Europe's 3rd largest exchange. As you can see, Tron's Justin Sun cannot complain these days at all, as everything is going smoothly and TRX's future looks flourishing. Tron, TRX, when will Tron get to $1? Tron, TRX, has been one of the most promising crypto projects to date. Almost every other day, Tron is announcing new progress, new big projects, another partnership, and alike. Its creator, Justin Sun, has also managed to create one of the strongest and most supportive crypto communities around Tron. With all of that taken into an account, Tron should be as huge as Bitcoin by now, right? Well, not quite. In fact, the coin's value is only a fraction of a cent. However, there are multiple factors that have led to this, and the current situation is likely not going to remain forever. So, let's take a closer look at the coin, and try to figure out when will Tron get to $1. Why is Tron's price so low? In a lot of ways, the price of a cryptocurrency is one of its main representatives. This is especially true when it comes to newcomers to the crypto world, that are not yet aware of how to properly study a certain coin. With that in mind, Tron's price would make you think that it is among the worst coins around. But why is its price so low, if the project has had so much success, especially now, in 2018? Well, there are a few reasons. The obvious one is the bear market that has held a tight grip on the entire crypto world since January. This is old news by now, but in short, the losses were so great that a lot of coins managed to lose over 90%. Even the mighty Bitcoin is only valued at $6,400 at the time of writing, while in January its price came to $20,000. Naturally, Tron was no exception, and the coin fell to some new lows. Another reason why its price is only $0.018648 right now is its huge circulating supply, as well as its, even larger, total supply. When you look at Bitcoin, its price is dominant when compared to any other coin. No other coin even comes close, in truth. However, Bitcoin's total supply is only 21 million BTC. Its circulating supply is barely over 17 million BTC. Now, compare that to Tron's circulating supply of 65.7 billion TRX, and a total supply of 99 billion, and you get the idea why the coin's value is as low as it is. What can be done about it? Tron has been one of the busiest cryptocurrencies around, and it has done a lot to improve its value. The value of the digital coin mostly comes from how useful it is, and Tron has made itself very useful. It did so through different partnerships, huge projects, personal expansion, and alike. However, likely due to the bear market, this was simply not enough. The coin also tried to tackle its oversized supply through token burns. Ever since the launch of its mainnet, Tron has been transferring its coins to a new blockchain. The leftover coins that are still in form of ERC20 tokens have been burned on several occasions so far. However, there is still too much TRX around to impact its price in any important way. So, when will Tron get to $1? This is a difficult question to answer, especially due to the market's behavior. A lot of analysts have been predicting the coin reaching $1 before the end of 2018. However, that seems less and less likely to happen as we approach the date. It would take a huge change for such a jump to occur, and if nothing like that happens, the earliest that we can expect TRX to hit $1 is at some point in 2019.